Fiji. Hey. Hola, Fiji.
Hola.
Hola. Hola, Cuba.
Iya, ya.
Somebody's still coming, eh? But I want to thank you for this particular last couple of days, last night and again today, for coming together to come and be with us, the delegation from home, the ambassador and the permanent secretary, the honorary consul, the staff officers. To be one again, I know there's a whole lot of you that have spent many hours traveling, so I want to thank you. I know many hours a bit short for people like the Bassa people. But I want to thank you again. Last night was very nice, and again today lunch, and we will be parting company. Some of you will be living today. You'll find out, and most leaving tomorrow morning. But whatever it is, we will be parting company. We have a busy schedule this afternoon with His Excellency the President. But we will come back to the hotel for those of you who will not be going anywhere today. We have some rocks still left. We can sit around and drink coffee. But thank you for coming. Naka.
De Cuba a bailar, me quieres dejar, yo no quiero salir, contigo me doy mi salsa, aunque me cueste morir. Morir, me quieres dejar, yo no quiero sufrir, contigo me doy mi salsa, aunque me cueste morir.
Oh, well, first of all, my name is Brenda Williams. I'm 26 years old and I'm from Savu-Savu in Tunula. Well, firstly, I always wanted to become a doctor. And then I saw this scholarship on the Fiji Times in 2013 and stuff, so I decided to apply without thinking that I would actually receive it. And then when they finally came the news that I received it, I was so happy. I was just lost for words and everything. So I've been here for about 6 years, going on to 7 years now. I'm a 6th-year student. It's my last year in Cuba. And yeah, I really like it. Cuba is like a new experience. I would say it's like something totally different from home. I learned so much here in Cuba. Firstly, I learned how to speak Spanish, which was like a very tough thing for me in the first year in Cuba. I would say it's a great experience. It was a great challenge, which I overcame. So I'm happy to be here. Oh my God! I'm so excited. I didn't even know this till yesterday. I'm so grateful that he finally made it over here so he can finally see what Cuba is like, so he can see just how life here is in Cuba.
My name is Sanjana Jeet Singh. First of all, I'm very honored to meet him. And he seems a lovely person. It's very nice of him to think about us and take out his time for us. And we look forward to seeing him in the future years. Yes.
Every day you go and sit with me.
Yeah, I think.